Hello, I'm Brett Knowles from Pm2 Consulting. This is a quick overview of our 3-day hands-on workshop. During this workshop, there are 5 major phases we'll take you through. First, we'll help you identify your organization's key strategic objectives and priorities. From there, we'll help you assess the linkage between your processes and projects, the activities people do, and strategic success, so that you can identify the critical performance nodes. We'll use those nodes to help you set effective OKRs, objectives and key results, that are strategically aligned and focused to the teams and individuals. From there, we will align your organization roles and link those OKRs and key results. We'll be using the 7Geese software tool to capture this information. And from there, we'll help you build your weekly, quarterly, and annual reporting cycles. To register or learn more, just click here. We hope to see you in beautiful Toronto in November.